In this video, I'm going to cover the products and services offered by Real Estate Photographer Pro. And the first thing I'm going to do is go through the product service tab. So I'm going to go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click on Services, and of course, we do real estate photos, drone, walkthrough videos, 3D animated rendered videos, and I'm going to show examples of these and go through each page. I'm just doing a quick overview. Headshots, agent marketing videos, real estate videos, business marketing videos, commercial photography and commercial videos for like rental property. We can also do advertising photography and advertising videos for businesses, floor plans, virtual edits, selfies, take selfies and turn those into professional headshots. Auto cinematic, that's where we take photos and turn those into videos. Motion videos, that's a dynamic Hollywood production to help sell your property with pop-up animations. Marketing kits, Zillow 3D tours, marketing branding photos, medical marketing photos and videos, location scouting, and free headshot events. So I'm going to go through each page, but if you ever want to see these, you just go to Real Estate Photographer Pro and click on Services, and then you can see each example. If you're ready to order, you can just click on Book Now or give us a call. If you have a creative project you want to discuss, either give us a call or schedule a call, and we can go over that idea, that concept in detail with you. But let's go through the service pages. So this is our marketing kit. I'm just going to do an overview. A lot of times you're in a situation where you need your social media posts pre-made for you. You need a property website. You need all your graphics. You need your slideshows. You need printable flyers. We can do that when we send over our marketing kit that we are now calling Listing Launchpad, because it is all of your social media content and more done for you. We're not posting for you, but we're creating all the content, and we create a branded version and an unbranded version. So that way you have social media content that promotes you, the agent, but then if you want other agents or other people in your office to post the content, they can share that content and promote it as a property they are featuring. But these are some of the things you get: design flyers, property websites, and social media video slideshows. And here's some examples. And that comes as part of a package, or it can be part of an add-on. So either way, and then we've got a short video here. Let's go over the next category is marketing branding photos or marketing branding videos. So if you're trying to step up your game and you need help with marketing photos or branding videos, we can do that for you. Or if you have a situation like an apartment complex, you want to feature models, we can do that. Even homes, we've taken and used models inside some of our larger properties. But this could be branding photos to promote the agent. It could be branding photos featuring the property, but we can help organize that and set that up for you. Selfies to headshots. So we can take photos that you have on file. We need about 30, and you just turn those in, and then we will go through the photos and work up an estimate for you. And here's examples where we can take selfies, and we like to have it about 30 selfies or photos you have on file, and we will take and turn those into professional headshots. We will review what you have and then work up an estimate. So it doesn't cost anything. You just click Book Now, and this will take you to a booking form. You send us a link to the photos so we can review them and download them, and then we will work up an estimate. This is a headshot event where we come out and we do your headshots for your office. And on this page, this would be a paid event. Either we're doing this for one individual person, or we're doing this for a small group or a large group. We do have another version that's free, but this would be an event you would schedule and we come to you and do your headshots. Or you can come to our studio, and we have one in Nashville, Franklin, and Huntsville, and we can schedule your headshots. So there's several different ways to do that. All right, let's go to the next category. This is kind of a special category. I'm going to play this video in the background while I talk over it. This is our marketing videos. So this particular one that I'm showing has stock footage, has a storyline, has a voiceover, pop-up graphics, animations. So it's almost everything you can imagine rolled into one short video. Not every marketing video needs all of those elements, but we just wanted to showcase in this video what can be done. So it's usually used on large apartments or neighborhood developments where you've got a story that needs to be told and you need to tell it in a very succinct, short time span. Let me show you one more real quick. This also has music under it. Here's some breakdowns. So here's 3D pop-up animations, neighborhood developments, where it's animating the neighborhood development, drive time animation, high-end graphics where it's showing kind of the before and after, landmark notations with pop-ups and logos. Then we've got pop-up layouts where we're showing how large the property is and the development opportunity. Then we've got multiple parcels where you're showcasing that. We've got a top-down property dimension view, property lines with the circular animation and then a pop-out. So you can see we've got different ways. Before we do one of these videos, we work up a story floor mat and what features you would like plugged into the video. Sometimes you want it all to be animated. Sometimes you want it to be a combination of animated and real video. Sometimes you want a voiceover. Sometimes you don't. So we will work with you on the develop that story so that it matches your budget. All right, this is photos to video. And this is really neat to do because it's really the best way to create a video. You take highly edited photos and then turn those into video. And usually no one knows that it's a photo turned into a video because it's got smooth, it's got pull in, push out, slides, pivots, 360 views. So, and then sync music to it. You can sync graphics to it. You can sync a voiceover to it. But it's really, if you're looking for a high-end video, you want to use our auto cinematic, and it's basically photos turned into a video. And those are available in our online ordering system. This is our real estate videos, or excuse me, real estate photography, just a quick portfolio. Drone photos, we do drone photos, and you can see a portfolio here. Then we have drone videos, we have a portfolio here. This is a 3D rendered animation. So sometimes you're working on a property, maybe it's not finished, maybe it's not ready for showing, maybe it has rooms that are being remodeled. So this could be a way that you showcase the property in its best light. And it's a 3D animated video. First thing we do is we scan the property and create a floor plan. And then we can also do a black and white floor plan, or we can do a color floor plan. And then we turn that into a 3D rendered animation. It can be done with just rendered video animation only. We can put music under it. We can put music to voiceover. We can do pop-ups and call-outs. So this can be a creative process that we develop something. This can be sped up. It can be slowed down. But this one is just a basic 3D rendered video of a real property. But then as we rendered it, it's been virtually staged so that it looks accurate, but it looks perfect. Okay, let me stop that. It's playing music here. Close that. All right, this is agent on camera. So if you need to be in an environment where you need to be on camera, we can help you with that. This particular version, we're doing the agents doing their intro and outros. They did them in English and Spanish, and then they can use those on their marketing videos. But sometimes you just want to feature a property. Maybe you want to do a voiceover. Maybe you want to promote a property, do the intro, then do something from the middle of the home, and then do something at the end. We can help you with that. We like to know in advance because we need to bring microphones, lights, We may need a special lens to get the best shot. So we always like to know in advance that we're going to be doing agent on camera. And this can be ordered online in our online ordering system. All right, these are marketing videos. So marketing videos are usually drone videos and walkthrough videos mixed together with some pop-up animations. So several different things. We really just take your vision and turn it into a marketing story. You can use it on any type of product or service. We've done it for restaurants. We've done it for apartment complex, neighborhood developments, lake homes, the businesses in our community. This particular video is actually promoting the agent. So this one is for a nonprofit, Habitats for Humanity. So this one was actually done for an oil company in Nashville. So rather large portfolio there to get some ideas on. This is our business marketing videos. So if you have a business and you need to market the business, it's not for sale, you just want to market the business, we can help you with that. This was a concert venue. It's actually, I think, being turned into a neighborhood now out on 840. This is a business in North Nashville, a local landscaper video. This is a nonprofit fundraiser, so we can help you with that. Then if you have commercial property that's going on the market, we can help you with that. Rental property, apartment complexes, any type of commercial property. We have a full range of products, and we have a whole category in our online shopping system where you can just order commercial products, videos, and special edits. Floor plans, you already heard a little bit about that. In a lot of our package, we offer a floor plan, and the floor plans can be turned into virtual 3D animated videos. They can be turned into black and white floor plans, or they can be turned into color 3D renderings. This is an example of our virtual editing page. This is a virtual editing. So if you can imagine it, we can virtually edit it. So we can do all kinds of things. This is virtual staging. This is virtual landscaping. This bottom category is virtual furniture placed in the home. But the bottom line is, if you can imagine it, our team can virtually edit it. And we're not doing that with AI. We're doing it with real human editors that are placing this inside the photo, and they're making sure the shadows and the sizing are correct. We can even put artwork on the walls. We can put things on the cabinet. This one right here was a lake house. There was no pool table. There was no hardwood floor, but that was the plan, to make it a game room with hardwood floors. So we finished that all in. It was a concrete floor with a no pool table, but that told the story and helped sell the property. We can do Zillow's version of their 3D tour. We offer that now, and that is in the online shopping cart, so you can choose that. We do medical photos. We have a medical portfolio here, so if you have a business, they're in the medical healthcare segment, we can help them with their headshots. We can help them with their property photos, and they can use those for marketing their healthcare facility. Location scouting. This really doesn't apply to real estate agents, but we do location scouting. This is where different companies, agencies that are producing videos for country music artists, or maybe they're doing a large commercial photo shoot, or a movie is coming to the Middle Tennessee, they will hire us to do the location scouting to find the location for the movie, commercial, the promotional piece that they're developing. I've got a portfolio here, endorsements, and several different projects and some pricing concepts for location scouting. This is our free headshot event. This is where we come to you. We just need 5 agents. We would love to have more, but it's 5 to 50 agents. We take just a few minutes and do their headshots, and then we deliver those in a few days. And this is some of the examples of what we do at a free headshot event. And there's no obligations to buy anything. We also like to do a presentation while we're there, and our 2 favorite presentations are how to use AI to create massive amounts of content, or how to prepare your home for a real estate photo shoot. This is our setup. We just need a 10 by 10 location somewhere in the office conference room, and then each agent just comes through and takes about a minute. We can do professional headshots. This is an overview of that, and that's totally free. So if you're interested in doing a free headshot event, let us know. If you need professional headshots or lifestyle photos, let us know. We can take care of it either way. So if you want to see these services, go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click on services, and then you can go through each page. All right. Thank you.